Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we gonna learn about how to plot a graph in Origin. So let's get started. Let's open Origin first.
This is how your Origin should look like. Let's maximize the book window. This is the space where your book and projects will be displayed. Into this side you will enter the values to be plotted. You can hide the project bar for much wider view. You can also pin it on the screen for your convenience. There is much more to know about. Let's start with adding the values to this book. Go to the appropriate file and copy the values you're supposed to plot on Origin. Let's check an example here. First of all, I have copied the x-axis values from this Excel file. This is the x-axis column. I am pasting the copied values here by right-clicking and paste. Now in the same way, I will copy the y-axis column and will paste it on Origin. We can also name the x-axis and y-axis. For example, in the first row I am writing ABC as the name of x-axis and XYZ for y-axis. These names will be displayed on our graph. Now we will select the x-axis and y-axis together by holding Ctrl button. At the bottom left of the screen you can see a line symbol. Simply clicking on this symbol will generate our graph as you can see here. You can shift between the graph and book values by clicking in this project window. You can also delete this graph by clicking here. And also change the thickness of graph line by clicking on it and then selecting the size like this. You can also change the color of this graph line like this. You can choose any color you want. Graph tagline can also be changed like this. You can also change the font size, font type, font style, etc. You can also change the thickness of axis. On the same way, thickness and style of axis numbers can be changed. Same can be done with y-axis. You can also change the name of axis here. Moreover, name of the axis can also be edited for its size, style, and appearance. The scale on the axis can also be modified by clicking on it and selecting these options. Here is an example of this. Finally, you can save your project by clicking on File and the select Save Project As and then save your project to desired directory. Now let's close all this and I will show you the saved project and how we can open it again. Boom, here it is, guys. Hope you guys got a basic view of Origin. Stay tuned for more advanced videos on Origin. Thank you.